Hi, I'm Vanessa with Heal Thyself. Meditation and mindfulness is a very integral part of the 8 limbs of yoga. So in this meditation, we're going to be working with mindfulness and bringing the awareness back into the body, rejuvenating a sense of wholeness, a coming back to the self, energizing the self. We're going to start this practice with alternate nostril breathing, which is a yogi technique of pranayama. It's breath work, using the breath to stimulate the energy throughout the body. And it's excellent to prepare the body for meditation. Get someplace where you can get nice and relax and have some private time. Perhaps you put on your earbuds and just completely vibe on out for about the next 20 minutes. So grab your gear and meet me on the mat. I'm going to guide you through a pranayama breath work called Nadi Shonana, which is alternate nostril breathing. So take your right hand and bend the middle finger and the index finger down like so. Place the right hand right above your upper lip. You're going to use the right thumb to close the right nostril and the other 2 fingers to close the left nostrils. And as you may have guessed, alternate is we're going to be inhaling and exhaling through one nostril at a time, using those fingers to close the alternate nostril. Plugging the right nostril with the right thumb. Take a deep inhale through the right nostril. Switch, plugging the left nostril. Exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Switch. Exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Switch. Exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Exhale through the left. Now that you've got the rhythm, close the eyes. Switch. Exhale. And inhale. Switch. Exhale. And inhale. Switch. Exhale. And inhale. Switch. Exhale. Inhale. Switch. Exhale. Inhale. Switch. Exhale. Inhale. Switch. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Switch. 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 Exhale. Last time. Switch and exhale through the right nostrils. Release the hand and return to your normal breathing. Let me also add, there's a good chance that because this is YouTube, that an ad will pop up during our meditation. If it happens, take it as an exercise or an opportunity to test your ability to be distracted out of meditation and getting yourself right back into meditation, because we cannot control everything. So if it happens, take a few seconds, let that skip button pop up, and just gently bring yourself out of meditation, hit that skip button, and come right back into meditation. Take a couple of nice deep breaths and focus in on the words. You're going to want to save this video and subscribe so you'll get my next video. I'll see you on the other side. For this meditation, you're going to want to have your body in a position that allows you to have maximum comfort, perhaps laying down or sitting upright with the spine erect. As you get settled, take a few nice deep breaths, breathing in and breathing out. With the next exhale, gently close your eyes, just starting to feel the weight of your body. Notice the points of contact, the feet resting against the floor, the hands settling into the lap. Allow your shoulders to fall down towards the elbows. And maybe you begin to notice any sounds around you, bringing the mind into the physical senses, your sense of touch, of smell, letting and just settling back into the space around you, bringing your awareness to the room, the temperature, and any sensation that might come up now, just bringing your attention a little bit more towards your body. We're going to begin with a slow body scan from the top of your head. Slowly bring your awareness throughout your body, moving through the torso and the hips, through the legs, past your knees, down to your toes, and just noticing any area that feels particularly comfortable or uncomfortable. No judgment, just awareness. Begin to build up a picture of how the body feels. Again, and just notice. Notice if any particular mood or emotion that might be around at the moment. Take another deep, intentional inhale and exhale. Now gently shift your focus to the rise and the fall of your breath, wherever you feel it's strongest in your body right now. Bring your awareness to the breath, the inhale and the exhale, noticing the sensation of the breath entering into your body, and then the sensation as the breath leaves the body, becoming increasingly comfortable in following the natural rhythm of your own breath. Now I'd like you to imagine a beautiful, steady flow of golden light. It's a vibrant energy circling right above the crown of your head. It flows almost like liquid sunshine. It's very smooth, very warm, and clear, and very, very bright. Allow this energy to flow down through the top of your head, traveling down past the shoulders as it makes its way down your spine, filling the body up as though it was a container. Your body receives this beautiful golden light, melting away any tension and discomfort in the body as you follow it, traveling down your body, past your hips and the thighs, slowly moving towards your feet. As it moves, this energy warms the body, comforts, and brings relaxation to the muscles. You sense this energy filling each one of your toes. As the energy touches and pulls around your toes, it begins to move back up the body through the soles of your feet. Now it travels up the ankles and continues past the knees as this beautiful golden energy travels up the body. You become aware that the energizing sensation that moves into the muscles, it brings vibrancy and happiness as it melts away every bit of tension. Focusing the senses, you're aware of a spaciousness and brightness and warmth. This energy continues up towards the thighs and the hips, radiating through the pelvic, continuing up the spine with a steady flow of warmth and energy and vibrancy coming into the body, melting all tension and anxiousness, restoring you, healing you as it continues up through the trunk. The body's moving past the stomach, the chest, and up towards the diaphragm, spreading the energy's vibrancy. It continues to flow through the chest and upper back. As it reaches the throat, you feel the warmth filling your head, coming out the crown of your head. Allow this beautiful, warm, vibrant energy to move all around you, all through you, restoring you, relaxing the muscles. Now just rest your mind in this space and allow your attention to experience this warmth this energy throughout your body and fills your mind and allows your mind to rest right here. Begin to bring your awareness back to your body, back to this space. Perhaps you wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take a nice stretch as if you're waking up in the morning. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Bring your awareness to the weight of your body. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and begin again.